In case you didn't know, ASM 101 does offer virtual one-on-one consultations or virtual training walkthroughs on how to do certain details. Here we have a friend of mine, TJ Skull from Advanced Roof Solutions. Go and check out his TikTok. It's blowing up like crazy. Today we were able to do a walkthrough on how to bend a pitched eave starter. And the guy's been getting really heavy into standing seam this past little while, and our sessions have been invaluable to his business, and he really appreciates high-end quality products, and I enjoy teaching, so it's a really great relationship. Give us a call if you're interested. Have a good one.